are enjoying. I hope you will enjoy it. So it's me, Dheeraj, and I'm going to tell you a small story with a moral. So the peacock and the stork. One day there was a peacock having a very cool tail. Beautiful and cool tail. It was filled with beautiful colors: blue, green, red and yellow. But the other animal's tails was black or orange, black and yellow. But only the peacock has the beautifulest tail. All animals came upset because the peacock made the animals upset. Ha ha ha, animals, I have the beautifulest tail in the whole world, he said. So the stork stork was watching that. So he decided to make an idea. So he was in the nearby pond. So then the peacock was about to cross the pond. Then he saw stork, his best friend. So peacock again decided to make stork upset. I will make stork upset, so stork will be upset too. So he made stork upset. Is that good, guys? No, you should not, because stork won't be peacock's friend. So I will tell you in the last of the moral. So the peacock talked to the stork. Hey stork, have you have a beautiful tail like this? No, I only have yellow and black and white. My tail is black and white, but my legs and my beak and my head are yellow. Ha ha ha, you don't have a beautiful tail like me, stork, my friend. But you could do that. But could you fly up to the space like me? I could fly. Could you fly? You're a bird too, right? But I'm not sure I could fly a little. Haha, you can't fly. But I could fly up and see the planets of the space. And I could learn about them and tell a video. Like me, right guys? See? Said the stork. So the people said, oh, I wish I could see that. Ha ha ha, you can see that, right? So, bye-bye, and you will not be a friend anymore, making all the animals upset and me too. So I don't ever heard you say that again. Then I will only be your friend. So the moral of the story is, don't make anyone upset, one or everyone. So that's the moral of the story, guys. So meet me in the next video. I hope you enjoyed.